What's up, everyone? Today's update from Camp Nou is a special one. Right now, things are moving fast, and the transformation is becoming more visible day by day. From the massive compression ring to rapid installation work across the stadium, this project is entering a crucial phase. So let's take a closer look at all the latest progress happening right now. We begin in the South Goal, where progress might not look dramatic at first, but key structural work is clearly advancing. The upper slab panels are now fully installed, completing this section of the formwork. While the angle limits our visibility, there's still clear activity above, with workers continuing structural tasks on scaffolding and pillars. Down below, we're starting to see real preparation for the next phase. Steel connectors for the Lamas are being installed along the beams with precise positioning. As we move towards the corner, activity increases noticeably. Workers are handling sandwich panels, and some remaining gaps show that installation is still ongoing. At the same time, elevated platforms are in use, and several sections already look nearly complete with flooring, railings, and access points finished. This area is slowly but surely coming together. From this angle, the compression ring looks absolutely massive, and it's still only in its early stages. Even if today feels slightly calmer, the structure continues to grow steadily. New scaffolding and support elements are being added, and step by step, this iconic feature is starting to define the stadium's future look. One of the fastest moving elements right now is the black panel installation. In just about 24 hours, workers have completed one full section and pushed forward into the next. This kind of speed shows how efficient this phase has become, and we can expect rapid visual transformation here. A major boost comes from the arrival of new structural materials, including large pillars and radial beams. These are key components for the compression ring, and with lifting preparations already underway, installation could happen very soon. The scale of these pieces shows just how complex and ambitious this project really is. Anchor installation has seen a strong push forward since the last update. Large portions of this section are now nearly complete, especially in the lower and middle areas. With only the upper parts remaining, this progress is a clear signal that Lama installation could accelerate very soon. Over the past few days, clear progress has been made on these two structures, especially with the sandwich panels. A new panel has just been installed, and as expected, it requires 3 workers to handle due to its weight. Right now, they are carefully adjusting it into position. In the central Gol Norte section, crews are working on anchor installations. Some areas still lack anchors, while others are being secured and tightened. At the same time, workers are applying protective material to beams and preparing for welding tasks in certain zones. Near the corner, a crane is positioning a new beam while workers secure it from both sides using lifting platforms. This structure, planned for future elevators, has progressed quickly, with multiple beams installed in recent days. Work is also ongoing along the front of the first cantilever. Workers are installing supports that will later hold protective panels or barriers. In the tribuna area, activity levels are high. The site is filled with machinery, including trucks, platforms, and concrete equipment. Concrete work continues as a mixer truck arrives to supply the pump seen earlier. Workers are operating at different heights, handling various installations. Even if some areas look calm, overall activity remains strong across this section. From the club cameras, the Gol sewer seating installation appears mostly unchanged compared to the previous day. However, only a small portion remains, so completion is very close. At the upper levels, workers are active with scaffolding and possible welding near the tops of pillars. While movement varies by area, work continues steadily across different levels. And that's where things stand right now at Camp Nou. With the compression ring rising and the Lamas getting closer to full installation, the transformation is only going to accelerate from here. Every section is moving step by step, and it's clear that something truly special is taking shape. Stay tuned, because the next updates are going to be even more exciting. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future progress.